For my highlight, it looks pretty similar to, oh God, that is, woo, that's blinding. Okay, snatched. Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Lanie. Today I have a really fun video for you guys that took me 3 hours to do because my camera kept dying. But we're here, we did it. I've been seeing this video everywhere and I think it's hilarious and I wanted to try it myself. I've been dying to film it, and it's the I try to do a blank makeup tutorial. This is how the look came out. I'm not mad at it, okay? You guys will see the whole process. It was very frustrating. Basically, I recreated a Nikkietutorials video. So I recreated her cartoon liner look, which I chose because I thought it would be fun to do, but also kind of challenging, so you'll see how that turned out. But yeah, enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watch me try to do this crazy look, but that's all. Okay, bye, enjoy.
So, even though I have hooded eyes today, we're gonna be trying
the
cartoon liner trend. So without any further ado, if you would like to know how to get this Perry Edwards cartoon
It's cute,
liner,
but I don't know how this is gonna look on me.
Then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is priming my face, although all the attention is gonna go to the cartoon liner. You still want your base to be perfect. So first I'm gonna go in with this Farsali Unicorn Essence Oil.
Everyone has this, I don't have it.
On Instagram goes like,
yeah. Every single video on Instagram starts off with those drops. Just, do they even do anything? I don't know. Okay, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use a normal primer because primer is primer, and I honestly don't think primer really works for me. I never really noticed the difference, but she did it, so we have to do it. So this is the professional primer from Benefit. I can't like drip it on my face, but hot. Okay, we are primed up. Okay, don't have that, but I'm guessing it's full coverage. I do have a booby blender, but I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been using this less because it's not really my color anymore and it's more yellow, but so she's applying it with a beauty blender, which is what I do, and hers is full coverage as fuck. I really usually don't wear full coverage foundation, so this is gonna be different. I'm really just applying a shit ton of this Fenty and hoping that it's full coverage. And she just pats it in. For real though. Holy shit, hers is like super full coverage. Okay, she puts it on her lips too, which is also something I don't do, but weird. Damn, I look yellow. Girl, mine is not looking like that. Woo! I don't know if I am. Okay, she needs to slow down. Hold on, Nikki. Can a bitch blend? I have this pimple like right where my edges are. It's killing me. Well, I don't have the oil. Okay, I do actually have that, so that's lit. I'm gonna use mine in neutral medium. I actually like never use this, but I have it. And then she's using like a flat like foundation brush, it looks like, which I don't do. I usually just apply my concealer with my beauty blender still. So the closest thing I have to the brush she's using is this Morphe brush, and it's the G39. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I see. So first she applies it with like a foundation brush, and then she blends it out with the sponge, which I don't understand because you could just do it all at once. If she does it, okay. Just gonna dip my sponge. All right, eye time. Okay, so she's starting off by highlighting her brow bone and inner corner. So I'm gonna do that. I don't have that exact shadow, but I have plenty that are similar. And I do have a brush like that. This is the Morphe, I don't know what brush this is, but it's something like hers, so. Hold up, when did she do her brows? Nikki, you just gonna skip the whole brow tutorial? She went from having no brows to brows within seconds and didn't tell nobody. Okay, her brows are like super sharp and defined, so I'm trying to mimic that, but now that I've caught up with the brows, let's go back to what I was doing, which was highlighting the brow and inner corner. Bam. Pretty. I like never highlight my brows either, just because I'm too lazy. And I don't think it's like makes that much of a difference, but it actually kind of does. I just kind of skip that step. We are doing it big today. Next, what's next, girl? What's next? Okay, she's taking a Tarte Clay Play palette, which I actually have. Wow, I actually have the palette, guys. I love this palette. First of all, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate, like milk chocolate specifically. Located Solstice. And then she's taking like a flat shader brush and applying it all over the lid. She said to pat it all over the lid. This looks mad ashy on me. What's funny is I like deadass only use 3 colors in this palette, but I still love it. So this doesn't really look like it's doing anything, but she said to do it. I feel like I'm just putting ashiness on my eyelids.
And on a blending brush, just diffusing a little bit of my contour shade into the side of my
Which is what, Nicole? Okay, I'm guessing she's using the same palette. She didn't show what color she's using, but she said her contour shade. So I'm gonna take Ember, which is my contour shade, and then just take a blending brush. So far so good, okay. Diffusing the lid. Cute. Probably should have zoomed you in earlier, but sorry. I'm tired. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stick to pink because that's what she did. I don't have a pink liquid liner, so I'm actually just gonna use a lipstick. This is in the color Valentine from Kiss Me. Okay, I will say that my face smells delicious because all of these products that I'm using smell really good. This is what we have going on right now. Okay, you're asking for a lot here. Oh my god, I'm scared. She already knows she's setting us up for failure. Okay, I'm gonna take the LA Splash liquid liner. It's like a felt tip. And best believe if I mess this up, I'm gonna keep it that way. Okay. This is working, cleaning it up with the pink again. It's not horrible. Outline. Okay, that's exactly, I was already ahead of you, girl. Okay. My line looks like hers, right?
And I am pretty damn proud of this.
Same.
Eyelids, so as soon as I look straight forward,
It creases. Yes, same.
That is just my anatomy.
Yeah.
With every liner out there, it doesn't matter if you're doing a cartoon liner or just winged eyeliner, there is a point
We are
where
the same.
you should look at your creation and be like, this is the best I can do for now.
Yep.
Move on.
Absolutely.
And I'm at that point right now.
Same. Okay, so now she's taking a pink liner, which I don't have, like a pencil liner. So I'm just gonna take a white eyeliner in Milk. I'm gonna take my Violet Voss lashes. These look pretty similar to the ones that she's wearing. Applying false lashes is always like a hit or miss for me. It either turns out really good or really, really bad. So let me just measure. Make sure these aren't too big. They look like they're a good size, actually. It is always a battle. So far, I'm not mad at this look. I might wear it to my next millennial outing. I have really long lower lashes, so I like never put mascara on them, but let me just fix this up here. I'm telling y'all, it's cute. I have no idea what it really looks like. You know how you like film tutorials for people who are YouTubers or film makeup tutorials and you think it looks bomb and then you watch the footage back and you're like, wow, that looks trash. That happens to me a lot. I usually end up not posting videos because I'm like, what happened? All right, I'm ready now. What's next? Looks like probably bronzer or some shit.
And
it's bronzing time.
Hoola Light by Benefit and the Hoola Brush. Every video I do this, I try to change it up a little bit, but it's just my holy grail bronzing routine.
Okay, I have Hoola bronzer, but it doesn't work for my skin tone. So I'm gonna just use my Z palette and I'm gonna use this color right here from Makeup Geek. Don't know what it's called, but it's what I use every day to bronze. So. Okay, cheeks. Oh, I have that brush. Okay, she's going too fast though. Hold on, let me get there. It's a race. She's winning. Bronzing it up. Yes. Hold on. This is a MAC. Okay, and then it looks like she's taking this brush, which I'm so glad I have because this is like my favorite brush. This is the Morphe M143. And it's funny because I actually use this for highlighting, but she's using this for contour. So that's what we're gonna do. But this is like the best brush ever for highlight. Okay, never used it for contouring, but it's definitely adds a lot of depth here. I'm into it though. Hold up. Snatched. And she's going down the jaw. Hoops are getting in the way.
With the most soft blush of life. This is Pink Tea by MAC.
I am not even there yet. So she's taking like a peachy blush. I'm gonna take a mixture of these two. They're both from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to use the Morphe G5.
Oh baby, how I missed you. I forced myself to use new and different highlights.
Guys, I'm so behind.
Videos.
Just applying some blush still. She's on highlight.
On my Ray Morris #2 brush, my favorite highlighting brush of the moment.
Okay, it looks like she's using like a silvery highlight. I don't have that brush at all. So I'm gonna use the Morphe R3. Something close to that. I usually like the more like gold highlights, but I think this one will work. This is the Tarte Skin Twinkle palette, and I think this is the color Moonlight. Oh my god, I'm like blinding y'all, but I'm gonna use this color right here for my highlight. It looks pretty similar to, oh god, that is, woo, that's blinding. Okay. Was not expecting that to be that pigmented, but she's like the queen of blinding highlights. Like she's been doing that for years, so go big. I'm gonna go big. All right, she's taking like a brown lipstick, so I'm gonna take Sugar Daddy by Live Glam's Kiss Me Lippy Club. And I need to moisturize my lips before I apply any type of lip product, because okay guys, we've made it to setting spray. Never thought we would get here, but we did. I don't have what she's using, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Oil De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, which is my shit. So, What do we think, everybody? I really don't think it's that bad. I think it came together. We had some hiccups, we had some ups and downs, but I like it. I would wear this out. If I were going somewhere right now, I would just go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was really fun for me to do, even though it literally took me 3 hours because my camera kept dying, so my camera can't hang. But thank you guys so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at lifeoflanie and Twitter at lifeoflanie. Snapchat is thatsolanie, even though I'm not really on Snapchat anymore because the update has me fucked up. So I actually don't even at me because I don't use it. Follow me on Instagram for sure. That is where I'm most active. Let me know how you guys think I did. Definitely, let's get this comment section poppin'. Should I wear this out? Yes or no? Thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.